I have a Tachihara Fiel 45. That's how it's spelled, Fiel, F-I-E-L. The little Tachihara is a lovely little camera. I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure that this will, I'm going to use a 65mm with it, of course. I'm not quite sure the front bed doesn't get into the picture. So, I took some photos, last time I took some photos with this was at Balmoral, and I'm pretty sure, or I need to watch my own videos again, right? I'm pretty sure that it was okay. With the proviso, of course, that I've got a couple of millimeters of rise. So, now this beautiful little camera has spent quite a large period of its life with the bellows incorrectly folded, and you can see that they're all creased and they don't look very nice. Okay, here, this is it. I've just framed up the Tachihara. I added a little bit of shine plug, and I've laid the got a bit of wind here, and I've laid the plane of focus down along the top of the boat. Just a very little bit of front tilt there. I don't even think you can notice it, to be honest, but there is. Let's see where I'm going to meter. Going to meter the rocks at the back, and that's 9. (100 ISO). EV9 goes to zone 5. I put that onto zone 4, zone 3. And we end up with half second f32, 1 second f45, 2 seconds f64. I'm going to use half second f32, that keeps me out of reciprocity failure. Okay, half second f32. Let's do it. Now let's just tighten everything down. Half second f32. It's a lovely little camera. Okay. If I want to test the lens, I need to do it in both formats, don't I? Yeah, we're still at about half sec f32. I've got to be careful with the sun on the front element with this one. So let's have a look. That'll do.